Okay, so I bought this e-bike that's here in the background. It's a Eahora XC100. And yeah, why did I buy an e-bike? I've been a big cyclist for a long time, but as I'm getting older, I'm almost 50 years old now.
You called me an old man.
My back and my sciatica nerve have been giving me problems when I ride my road bike or even my other trail bike for an extended period of time. After about an hour or so, it's just about unbearable. So I wanted to have a more comfortable ride. I wanted to have an easier ride, if you will, but still get some exercise. And I figured an e-bike might just be the solution for me. And I've gone 12 miles on it right now so far, and I gotta say it is awesome. I mean, it is a comfortable ride. The PAS, the pedal assist system, works just seamlessly. Very comfortable. I'm in Claremont, and it's very hilly up and down here, even the uphills. I mean, that pedal assist really kicks in nicely and gives me the push and that little extra that I need to not pedal too hard, which then hurts my lower back. So far, it has been proven to be a good purchase, I believe, for me. And I'll let you look at it. Okay, so we did 15 miles on our first ride today, and I have to give some props. It's a really great ride. It's a really upright ride, which is very comfortable for me, and the bike handles very well. So I gotta say it was a good purchase. It was just under $800, so I think it's a very, very fair price. It is considered a entry-level bike, but I think it's well priced for what you're getting. The quality seems to be very good, and it rides excellent. So this is the stock seat. It was somewhat comfortable. I'm sure that I have other ones that I may replace them with at some point. I will say the handlebars are fine. The grips, however, you can see this little corded material. It is a little bit uncomfortable after a while having your hands there, so I would probably recommend maybe a pair of cycling gloves. That would definitely fix the issue. The onboard computer, you can see it very well. It's not the colored version. They have a colored version. That is the XC100 Pro, but it was not worth the extra, I don't know what it was, $200 or so to get the color screen. So this is a grayed out screen, and you can see it very well. Shifter works very good, 7 gears. And here's your control panel for the onboard computer. This is where you turn it off. This is where you pick your pedal assist mode, so you can choose between 1 and 3. And here on the side, the first button is to turn your headlight on. It actually comes with a integrated headlight. That's the bottom button, and the upper key here, the upper button, allows you to browse through your, let me see if I can get this going. On the bottom you can see the changing, and you can pick the mode that you want to be on. So again, we just under 14.5 miles today. We rode it on level 2 for most of the time, and the battery indicator up here, I'm not sure if you can see it, it's still fully charged. The battery is built in right here. It has a button on top, you can push that, and it shows you your battery level indicator as well. All 4 bars are lit up green. Each bar that you lose, it indicates a 20% loss of battery. And it has a USB port right here on the battery as well. So if you need to charge your phone, you can do this right from this battery. It comes with a lock, so you can leave the battery on if you want. But you can also unlock it and take it with you. The battery itself, I believe it's like 10 or 12 pounds. Makes the light obviously a lot easier if you need to carry it. Disc brakes, front and rear. Tires are, you know, they are what they are. They're not the most expensive or best tires, so something you can consider replacing at some point. But for now, for what I use it for, mainly on streets, they should hold up just fine. So overall, I am pretty happy with it. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you're new here to the channel, consider subscribing. Hit that little bell button as well to turn on your notifications. And yeah, we will see you in our next video. Bye.